If CapCut is showing an unknown error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and you do not need any advanced technical skills to follow along. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy app fix videos just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check whether CapCut is having a server outage. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, but with CapCut itself. Open your browser and search for "Is CapCut down?" Then look for a status website like Downdetector. If a lot of users are reporting problems, that means the app may be having server-side issues, and the best fix is simply to wait a little while and try again later. If the servers look fine, then move on to the next step. The second thing to try is clearing the app cache. Cached files can sometimes get corrupted and cause strange errors inside CapCut. To do this, open CapCut, go to the menu, then tap Settings and look for cache size. From there, clear the cache. This will remove temporary files without deleting your projects in most cases, and it often helps the app run more smoothly. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it to see if the error is gone. If you still see the unknown error message, the next thing to check is your internet connection or VPN. Some networks can block CapCut backend services, which can trigger errors even when the app itself is working normally. Try turning off your VPN if you are using one. If that does not help, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection and force a fresh network session. Once your connection refreshes, reopen CapCut and test it again. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue right away. If the app was down, you simply had to wait. If the cache was the problem, clearing it usually fixes the error, and if your network or VPN was interfering, changing the connection often gets CapCut working again instantly. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a CapCut unknown error is to check for server outages, clear the app cache, and toggle your Internet or VPN settings. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.